If you see a powertrain malfunction warning on your Ford's dashboard, don't ignore it. This alert means the vehicle's onboard computer has detected a serious issue affecting the engine, transmission, fuel system, emissions, or electronic controls. In modern Ford models, especially those built from 2015 onward, the system is highly sensitive and designed to catch problems early. Acting quickly can prevent minor faults from turning into expensive repairs. Important steps: 1. Gradually reduce your speed and avoid hard acceleration or sudden braking. 2. Safely pull over when possible and turn off the engine for a few minutes. 3. Check basic items like engine oil level and coolant for anything unusual. 4. Note any additional warning lights and changes in performance, such as rough shifting or loss of power. 5. Use an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes or have a professional run a full scan. 6. Check for available Ford software updates or technical service bulletins before replacing major parts.